Hi everyone. In this video, we understand our AI engineer roadmap, which is I just prepared for 30 days AI engineer roadmap. So I already created this blog. Why? Because in 30 days, how we can learn AI engineer means in first week what we need to learn, in second week what we need to learn, means in this way day by day what we need to learn we just understand in this video. So I already created a blog for this, and in this way we can just start our AI engineer journey. Okay, so this is a 30 days AI engineer daily timetable. So in first week we need to understand AI, Python and first ML. Okay, so our goal is like a strong fundamental and first ML project. So basically in day one we need to just understand the whole basic concepts. In day two we need to understand like Python basics. So in Python, we need to understand some programming syntaxes like variable, loops, function. So all those things we just understand in day one, day two. Okay. Then day three is a Numpy and Panda. So all these are the basic concept we need to understand to learn the AI engineer. So in day 4, we just need to understand data visualization. In that, we have a multiple concepts like plot line, bar, histogram. So this kind of thing. In day 5, linear regression. In that, what is a regression? Evaluate the model. Then day 6, it's a and see this is our uh, whole 1 week journey. So in weekend we just we need to spend some 2 or 3 hours, and in weekend we need to spend 4 to 5 hours. So in that way we need to start our AI engineer learning journey. Okay, so I will explain all those things day by day. Okay, so I just create a one block, means in day one what we learn. So that block I will create and just share with you guys. Okay, so this is the day 7 journey, like decision tree, random forest, compare models. Then move to the week 2, like we need to start like core ML and deployment. The goal is like real ML workflow and deployment. Here in day 8, feature engineering, day 9, model validation, day 10, KNN and SVM. So what is mean that? Build ML pipeline, fast API basics, and then we need to spend 4 hours, and this is a day 13. So deploy ML. Okay, so day 4 is a Docker basics, Docker ML app. Next, like a week 3 means just start to learn like a deep learning and LLM and generative AI. So day 15, neural network basics, build simple neural network, CNN basics, LLM fundamentals. Day 19, open AI plus LLM API. Day 20, build RAG app. Day 21, like improve RAG, add prompt engineering, add memory. Then this is a week 3 plan. And then week 4, we start to prepare like AI engineering, cloud and certification. So become an AI engineer, we need to also understand Azure AI overview, what is mean by exam syllabus, what is the exam syllabus for AI 102. We need to go through that. Deploy generative AI app to cloud, ML, Ops basics. In day 26, monitoring and logging. Day 27, like final portfolio project. And day 28, like polish GitHub or write README files. Day 19 LinkedIn branding, and day 13 certification plan. So basically, our plan is like Azure AI engineer, that is AI 102. So that certificate we need to complete, and for that reason, parallelly, we need to start to learn Azure AI engineer. So this is a 30 days plan. Maybe it's plus or minus, means more than 30 days, but we need to complete this and we need to understand all these concepts. We already started to prepare uh, AI 102 exam questions, their syllabus. That videos also we uploaded, but parallelly we need to understand this concept as well. Okay. So after 30 days, what you will have: Python fundamentals, some ML projects, deep learning, RAG project, deployed AI app, Azure AI certification means preparation, and then strong GitHub portfolio. So in this way, we need to understand all these basic concepts: ML concept, Azure App Services, Vision, NLP, RAG, all those things we need to understand to complete our AI engineer certificate. So for that reason, I just prepare this 30 days roadmap. Definitely, it's more than 30 days. We require more than 30 days, but we need to prepare this and we need to follow this, and just day by day we need to just understand all those concepts. So I'll just share in day one what I learned. I also shared with you. I just create a one blog and then share with you, and then we just go through what we learn in day one. I hope you understand what is the agenda for this video. We just started to learn AI engineer and we just created a roadmap for this. So I'll just share this link in video's description. You can just go through it and just plan accordingly. Thank you guys.